A new image of what could well be DJI's next vlogging cameras has emerged online. For context, the Osmo Pocket 3 is nearing its second anniversary. Two images emerged in August showing a vlogging camera with the same overall design as the current Osmo Pocket 3, with a 3-axis gimbal and a rotatable screen, but there's one clear change: a new set of buttons below the display. DJI Osmo Pocket 4 chassis leak hints at refreshed dimensions. A side-by-side comparison shot of the Osmo Pocket 3 and Pocket 4's chassis. Hardware buttons placed below the rotatable touchscreen, replacing the Osmo logo found on the Pocket 3. A dual camera setup, possibly combining a large 1-inch main sensor with a secondary telephoto or depth sensor. Some reports even claim that a pro version is in testing, potentially featuring Hasselblad-tuned color science. Reliable source that DJI intends to launch the Osmo Pocket 4 on December 18th. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.